Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7, and if your headlights do not work guys, we'll show you which relay to check. If both of the headlights, left and right side, do not work, most likely guys you have a bad relay. If just one of them doesn't work, okay, it most likely is a bad fuse or a bad bulb. Now we have the video on the channel. You have 4 fuses for the headlight and 1 relay. In today's video we'll explain where the relay is and how to replace it, and you can find in the description of the video below where we buy our relays. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe, like the video and leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful, and let's start on it now. So I'll go ahead, put the key in, I'll turn the lights on and I'll show you guys okay how they do not work. Okay, give me just a second. Key is on. I'll turn the lights on. Okay, all the way on, and now all you have is parking lights but no headlights at all on each side. So we'll go ahead, show you guys if replacing the relay will fix our problem. I'll go ahead, turn it off and turn the ignition off. Now let me show you guys what we'll be doing next. We need to go ahead open the hood, and this is your fuse box, and that's where we'll be working now. So how you guys open the fuse box, there is one clip here, push it forward, now grab the box, push it forward and then up. Okay, like that. Now the relay guys that we're looking at, let me get something to point with. Okay, you can see this relay right here, the 4th relay on the very right side from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this relay, this is for your headlights. So I'll show you guys, usually you grab them with your hands, pull them out. Those are super tight, so I'll get the pliers, but we have to be careful. Now if it's a bad relay, even if you break it, it's fine, but don't damage your fuse box, because those things do tend to be pretty tight. Okay, perfect. Now if you guys need to buy a new relay, check it out, we'll have in the description of the video below where you can get a replacement one, and for a good price guys. Sometimes those are hard to find, that's why we share the links with you. Now I'll go ahead. Okay, we're going to go ahead now, going to install it. Okay. Okay, hold on, I forgot to grab the new one. I'm installing the old one now. Let me grab the new one. And if you guys want to see a video on the channel, we have a video on the channel guys that explains how to test a relay, so please check it out. That way you'll know for sure if yours is bad or not. So we get the new one now, put the cover on, don't forget that, because if you do guys, okay, water and humidity may get in, dust, so you don't want that to happen and damage your fuse box. I'll go inside, turn the ignition on. Okay, and let's see if the lights work now. And you can see guys, headlights do work. So that definitely took care of our problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.